So, welcome po muli sa aking YouTube channel. Nais ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga sumusuporta sa aking mga videos. Road to 200 subscribers na po tayo mga kaguhit. At ngayon, i-continue naman natin ang ating portrait request. Bali, isa sa mga nag-request sa akin ay si JL Dotilia. Ang sabi niya ay drawing niya naman po si Jillian Ward. So, ngayon, siya yung ating idodrawing, si Jillian Ward. So, umpisahan na natin siya ngayon i-drawing.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
So ayan, tapos na po ang ating portrait request na si Jillian Ward. Sa mga gustong mag-request ng aking idodrawing, just comment below for your portrait request. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong magawang videos. Yun lang po at maraming salamat sa panonood.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair